Hey, hey you, remember, do something you enjoy today. Do it. So, today I'm going to make some custard. Custard is a relatively easy to make type of pudding. For this recipe I need some milk, sugar, 2 medium eggs, cornstarch and a little bit of vanilla extract. Measure 250 milliliters or about 1 cup of milk. And add about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to it. Add your milk to a pan and heat it till it is almost boiling. While your milk is heating up, separate the yellows from your eggs. Oh, shit. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a tablespoon of cornstarch to your yellows. And mix it all up in the bowl. While stirring, add your milk to the mixture. Slowly. Add the mixture back to the pan. And while stirring, heat it up again on the furnace till it gets thick. It should take about 6 minutes till everything becomes thick. And there you go, a nice custard pudding. I added a little bit of nutmeg to my custard. Nice, very nice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.